In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect email addresses from Instagram stories using ManyChat. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First and foremost, you need to start by connecting your Instagram account to ManyChat. Make sure that you're using a professional or creator account, because this feature is not available for personal accounts. Once you log into ManyChat, you'll see an option to link your Instagram account. After that, navigate to the Automations tab located in the left side menu, and click on the plus New Automation button. This is where the magic begins. Next, we need to set your story trigger. This is essentially the way ManyChat knows when to initiate contact based on interactions with your Instagram stories. Find the section that allows you to set triggers. Here, select Instagram Story Reply as your trigger. You can either choose a specific story you have posted, or select the option that says, "A user replies to any story." This step is crucial because it dictates how your audience will engage with your content. After that, you'll want to fine-tune your options by setting a rule for when a reply contains a specific word. Think about what you want your audience to respond with. It could be something simple like guide or info. By doing this, you can filter out responses and make sure that you're only engaging with those who are genuinely interested in your content. Now it's time to build the chat flow. Start by creating an initial automated message. In this message, be sure to thank them for their engagement and ask them to confirm that they want the resource you're offering. It's a good idea to keep this message friendly and inviting, as it sets the tone for the rest of your conversation. Once you've established that initial connection, you should include a button or a prompt directly asking for their email address within the chat. This is a straightforward step, but it's vital to make it as easy as possible for your audience. People are more likely to respond positively if they feel guided and not pressured. However, to remain compliant with marketing regulations, it's essential to include a short privacy disclaimer. Inform them that by providing their email address, they are agreeing to receive future communications. Next, be sure to set the data collection block to capture the email input and save it to the ManyChat user fields. This way, you can keep track of all the emails you collect in one organized space. Once you have their email addresses, it's time to deliver what you've promised. Create a follow-up message that contains the direct link to the resource or the freebie you mentioned earlier. This not only fulfills your commitment to your audience, but also encourages further engagement with your content. Finally, to manage and utilize your collected email addresses efficiently, head over to Settings and then to Integrations within ManyChat. Here, you can connect your email service provider, whether it's Flowdesk, MailChimp, or Klaviyo, to automatically sync new leads to your master email list. If you're utilizing a tool like Zapier, you can set up a connection that streamlines this process even further, ensuring that you never miss a new lead. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively collect email addresses from your Instagram stories using ManyChat. Remember, the key is to remain engaging and transparent, ensuring that your audience feels comfortable giving you their information. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to let me know in the comments and consider subscribing for more tips just like this one. Thank you for watching, and get started on turning your Instagram stories into a powerful email collection tool.